In this video, I'll cover 5 tips to help you look beyond the sales pitch and choose the best contract lifecycle management software with confidence. If you're evaluating CLM software, it's really easy to get distracted by long feature lists and flashy demos, and every vendor promising the same things. But the stakes are high. World CC research shows that poor contract management costs businesses almost 9% of value annually. Now that's why the best CLM solution should do more than just store contracts. It should fit your processes, support your teams, and deliver long-term value. But we understand that can feel a little bit overwhelming. The first place to start is identifying your biggest contract challenges. Before looking at vendors, identify what's slowing you down right now. Is it contract creation, approvals, visibility, or reporting? Understanding your own pain points across the business, this will help you focus on finding the right CLM solution that solves real problems instead of just adding more complexity. My next tip is to think beyond legal. Contracts touch sales, procurement, finance, HR, and loads of other business stakeholders. So involve those teams early. They'll tell you where their biggest difficulties are and what easy looks like for them. For a lot of teams, easy contracting processes come down to where they actually use the platform. Many tools still require you to log on to a separate environment, a separate platform, but adoption outside of legal can skyrocket when teams access your CLM directly from the tools that they're already using, whether it's email platforms like Outlook, CRM systems, or other productivity tools. Next, let's have a look at the implementation itself. Even the best software won't deliver value if implementation becomes a lengthy, complex project. Ask the vendors about implementation timelines, resource requirements, training, and ongoing support. Understand what your team will need to do to get the platform up and running successfully. It's also worth asking how quickly you'll see value. Some vendors take a phased approach, starting with a specific use case or a pilot period with just a few users before rolling out the software across the business. This can help build confidence, drive adoption, and demonstrate a return on investment before expanding too much across your organization. My 4th tip is to take a close look at AI functionality. Now, most CLM platforms now include AI features. So the real differentiator is actually how you use those capabilities, how they help you get more value from your contract data. For example, during the request stage, AI can help users find the right contract templates, answer policy questions, and navigate self-service processes without needing legal support. If we look at review, look for capabilities that identify risks, compare clauses against your legal standards, extract key information, and help you review contracts more efficiently. Once contracts are stored in a repository, AI should be able to automatically extract metadata, organize your agreements, and make information easier to find later on. Analysis is where many organizations see the greatest value. The right AI capabilities can help users answer questions across thousands of contracts, identify obligations, surface risks, track trends, and uncover opportunities that would take hours of manual work. Finally, take some time to understand the pricing model. CLM pricing can vary significantly between vendors, so it's important to look beyond the headline number. Start by understanding how users are licensed. Are you paying for every user, or are there different user levels with different costs associated to them? Next, look at storage limits and contract volumes. As your contract repository grows, you don't want to be surprised by additional charges for storing agreements or extracting extra data. Understanding all this upfront can help you avoid unexpected costs as your adoption of CLM grows. The best CLM solution isn't necessarily the one with the most features. It's the one that solves your biggest challenges, works for the entire business, and continues to deliver long-term value. And before making a final decision, remember to validate what you've seen in demos with independent customer reviews. Use sites like G2 and Gartner. The experiences of existing customers can often tell you more than the feature list will itself.